Hi all. I know it's been a while since I posted any content on here, mainly because YouTube basically deletes any video I put up and puts strikes on the channel and stuff like that. And I worked quite hard to build the channel up when it first started, and I don't really basically want to get it closed down after the hard work that I put in. So basically, this is a bit of a concern of mine, is that it's been officially 29 days since Nintendo released 11.0.1, and for anyone who still follows this channel, has a subscription, or is thinking about it, as of the 13th of January 2021, you cannot use SXOS on 11.0.1. So hopefully you haven't updated. Hopefully you're being quite smart and wait until you've turned off your auto updates, and you wait until the SXOS has been updated until you update. That's what we should be doing. But this is just sort of a announcement saying, please don't update to 11.0.1. It seems like it's quite a big behind the scenes update. So 11.0.0 works with SXOS, but 11.0.1 doesn't. So they only put out 3 fixes officially in their changelog, which is corrected a problem which games couldn't be played correctly, where the TV wasn't working in dock mode, and a GameCube controller fix. But clearly something behind the scenes has broken SXOS, and it's taken them a bit of a while to do it. So good news, Atmosphere, which is another firmware which you can use to play backups, does work. They have fixed that, and they've got it working on that, which means it's not going to be broken forever. It will be fixed in the near future. This is just an announcement saying do not update to 11.0.1 until a new version of SXOS is out. So 11.0.0 works. Use that version if you've got it. Update to that version via Jour de jour if you can. You should be able to. And keep an eye on sx.executor.com. Go to download. This is the version that doesn't work, 3.1.0. So you're looking for 3.2, 3.1.1, whatever it's going to be the next one, all right? And as soon as there is a new version there, I will post something to let everyone know, because a lot of you probably followed me at the beginning of SXOS and still follow me now because of that. So hopefully I'll get this up and going and start helping people, giving people advice and help. If there's anything you guys want from me, I'm going to try and put a bit more effort into this channel again. Anyway, guys, public service announcement: don't update to 11.0.1 is the basics of it. All right. Really appreciate the watch. Thanks, guys.